We're going to do a series of titrations to generate titration curves for strong acid with strong base, weak acid with strong base, and weak base with strong acid. The first titration will be a 0.1 molar solution of HCl with a 0.2 molar solution of sodium hydroxide. We're going to pipette 50.00 milliliters of an approximately 0.1 molar solution of HCl into the beaker. We're going to add 2 to 3 drops of bromethymol blue indicator. Bromethymol blue is yellow in acidic solution and blue in basic solution. It changes color at about a pH of 7. We'll place a calibrated pH electrode into the solution. We're going to collect data using trigger prompt. We've already calibrated the pH electrode, so we're going to come down to collect data and trigger prompt. We're going to wait 30 seconds for the electronics to warm up. Press enter. We're going to add the sodium hydroxide solution in increments, and we're going to press trigger after the CBL reading has stabilized each time and enter the volume from the burette. The first reading will be at 0 milliliters of NaOH. So we're going to take a reading before we've added any NaOH. When the CBL reading is stable, we'll press trigger on the CBL and we'll enter the volume on the calculator, 0.00 milliliters. It'll ask for us to collect more data. We want to collect more data. We're going to carefully add 2 milliliters of NaOH solution. If you don't reach 2 milliliters exactly, what you want to do is just read the volume carefully off the burette and enter it to the nearest hundredth of a milliliter. When the CBL reading is stable, press trigger on the CBL and enter the volume on the calculator, in this case 2.00. Again, collect more data. You'll collect data every 2 milliliters up to 20 milliliters, every 1 milliliter from 20 milliliters to 30 milliliters, and every 5 milliliters from 30 milliliters to 50 milliliters. You also want to try and record the volume where the indicator changes from yellow to blue. When you've reached 50 milliliters, press trigger, enter the value on the CBL. You'll do a stop and graph and save your data to a program. This is the graph of the titration of the HCl with NaOH.